Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know what Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through these refrigerator and these cabinets and create a delicious meal for you. Stay tuned. Guys, let's go through our cabinets, see what we got for this week. Woo! You know, I was going through my cabinets last week, and I noticed that I had these old tortillas, and I was like, I wanted to do something with these bad boys. So I'm gonna put that on the menu. Let's see what they have down here. This popcorn calling my name too. I might have to clear that up, but nah, I'm gonna leave that right there. Leave that alone. I don't want to get killed. So let me leave that alone. Let's go through this fridge, see what we got in the refrigerator real quick. People! Alright, let me see what I got. Right? You know, I got these mushrooms that I bought. If you guys ever seen this mushroom before, these are king mushrooms. I'm telling you, they're really good. So I'm gonna do something with that bad boy. And then we got, we got steel old peppers, onions, you know, stuff that I love. Throw some of these tomatoes on that bad boy too. Oh. Vegan cheese. I'm gonna have to do something with that as well. What else we got down this bad boy? I got this cabbage. I guess since I had meant to, I'm gonna do that. Man, it's heavy. And then we got our scallion. Let me see what else do we have. You know what? We got this big bag. I had to make a trade real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but this big bag of spinach. You ever seen this big bag of spinach before? I might use it, I might not use it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and I'll think about it. I'll think about that one. All right, that's the first it for the refrigerator. Let's go over to my dry goods. I got some peppers. Got some peppers and onions. Got this cool stuff. Oh. Some jalapeno. Some jalapeno. Might do something with that. Oh, and I have avocado. All right. I think I have an idea of what I want to make for this meal. So stay tuned. Peace. All right, guys. So after taking a look at all of my ingredients, I decided to go with a Jamaican, vegan, Mexican influenced quesadilla. Let's go. All right, guys, so that's how you make a quick vegan quesadilla. So now the moment of truth is upon us, people. Let's try this bad boy, see what this is about. Oh my God, let me get this one right here. Ooh, look at that cheese. That vegan cheese is just right. Before I dip it inside. Real good. Real good. This requires me to be messy, so let me be messy real quick. This is my avocado. Right. Hold up. Guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, of course, Chef Kirk. And I really enjoy making this dish. And I hope you guys try this bad boy. Simple, really easy. The recipe is going to be below. Leave a comment if you did try to make this. Please tag me your video so I can go ahead and see what you guys did. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy this, and I'm about to enjoy it right now. Follow, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and please be safe while we're going through this quarantine lockdown. All right, I'm about to go tear this up. Peace!